Hi, and welcome to this guided breathwork sound journey, where you get to experience the possible powers of breathwork alongside the amazing powers that sound has to affect our bodies, minds, and spirits. So we'll begin just breathing gently in through the nose, letting our breath find its way down into our belly, allowing our exhale to simply happen by itself. Continuing to breathe softly in through our nose, feeling the expansion of the stomach as we inhale. Allowing our exhalation to happen, feeling the whole body relax as we exhale. We keep breathing in a nice and steady rhythm, nose to belly. Just feeling the expansion of the stomach and diaphragm like a sphere moving out in all directions. And as we go, gently prolonging each exhale, slowing the exhale down, before we begin again to breathe in through the nose. Feeling our core, our tailbone, the bottom of our stomach fill up toward our diaphragm. As we keep breathing like this, I invite you to step inside yourself, to feel your body from the inside, let go of the surrounding world, and focus simply on your breath and on feeling, as well as hearing and feeling the sound. Keep breathing deeply in through your nose, allowing your breath to gently expand and grow a little bit larger with each breath, feeling like a cup of water being filled from the bottom of your stomach all the way up through your chest. Gently breathing in, allowing your inhalation to fill you from the bottom of your stomach up through your chest, with an extra slow, long exhale. Perhaps closing your eyes is the better idea for this session, to really feel what is going on as you keep breathing deeply in through your nose. Slowly out. Keep breathing like this, filling from the core and bottom up. Allowing your exhale now to just start happening by itself. And as soon as you've exhaled, begin again with your next inhalation. Full and deep inhalation. Eventually finding your way into a steady rhythm of a full and deep inhalation, letting go of the exhale. finding a nice and steady rhythm that suits and fits your body. But always keep breathing, staying in that deep, powerful, full inhalation. Breathing all the way in, letting out as we exhale. Beginning again. As we let go of the surrounding world, breathing deeply in, letting go, feeling our bodies. See if we can draw in positive emotions and sensations with each new breath in. Breathing in a smile. Gently increasing the strength of your inhalation. Breathing in, letting go, breathing in positive emotion. Letting go of tension, old stresses. Breathing in again, new, fresh, happy, healing energy. Staying in this steady rhythm with our deep, full breath in. Letting go, beginning again. Gently increasing the strength and pace of your breath. Keep breathing, we may experience tingling sensations, lightheadedness, or other sensations or emotions arising in our body. No matter what, keep breathing. Breathing in and through whatever sensation and or emotion may arise inside you. Keep breathing, feeling how you are your breath. As we gently keep increasing the strength and pace of each inhalation, breathing fully all the way in, letting go, beginning again. We go in for about a last minute of this forceful breathing all the way in, letting go, beginning again before we go in for a breath hold. Feeling all the way from your core through your chest, breathing all the way in, letting go. Breathing in the new, the fresh, the positive, the happy. Letting go of everything outside, that's that. Going in for our last 10 seconds of deep breathing in, letting go. Three more breaths. All all the way in, fully in, all the way in, letting go. And as we eventually take our last deep full breath all the way in, we let go and stay with our exhalation. Simply feeling the body, feeling the sound wave around you, allowing your body to merge with this sound. Staying in your exhale all the way until your body naturally inclines you to grasp for air. And once it does, allow yourself to inhale as fully, as deeply as before, and hold that inhalation, counting to 15. Once you've eventually stayed with your exhale, having inhaled again, counted to about 50, you're welcome to begin again with our second round for our second and last breath hold. Breathing all the way in, filling from the bottom up. Letting go, beginning again. Breathing all the way in, breathing in light. Breathing in gratitude. Allowing gratitude and light to fill every cell of your body, of your being. Breathing all the way in, letting go, beginning again. Going in for another 10 breaths. Taking as full and deep breaths as you possibly can, all the way in, letting go. Letting go of all but your breath. Breathing all the way in, letting go, feeling the body. Keep breathing. And as you eventually take your final 2 breaths, allowing your last breath to be as full as you possibly are able to make it. Breathing all the way in, letting go, staying then with your exhalation. Feeling the body. Feeling the vibration and the sound. Staying without air, merging in the sound wave. And once your body needs to breathe in, breathe all the way in. And hold it. Once you've eventually stayed with that exhale, inhaled again, held it for as long as you saw fit. Taking a few deep breaths, sighing out. Eventually allowing your breath simply start flowing again into your nose, finding its way down through your throat, expanding belly and diaphragm. Allowing your exhale to be slow and long. Breathing gently, not perhaps all the way in, filling up your ribcage with air. Slow, long exhalation. Eventually allowing your breath to simply start happening by itself. Body breathes by itself. Remembering to teach your body to per default breathe by its nose, through its nose. Breathe deep. Relaxing the whole skin of the body now, allowing you to feel your body as one with the sound wave that is all around you. One vibration. I do invite you to keep breathing gently through your nose. Open your eyes if you have not already done so. Look upon the world around you as if you saw it for the very first time. With amazement, curiosity, and an eagerness to explore life around you. Breathe deep, giving many thanks have joined in today, partaken this breathwork sound journey. Me and my friends here, Nasmadrone. Stay connected to your breath and the feeling of your body. And breathe out slowly and relax throughout life.